Uh, I'm here because Mr. Lakshmi Kumaran has a court case and he couldn't come. So I will be representing him. On behalf of Lakshmi Kumaran Sridharan, I welcome all the speakers and delegate to the 7th GIPC event here in Mumbai. We have been co-organizing this event with ITAG, which has been spearheaded by Dr. Dhanpat Agarwal. Just like my earlier speaker, Mike, I think I'm very, very close to Dr. Agarwal, and we really consider him as my brother. That's what we do in India. And so we are very happy to organize this event on a special focus on IP. We've all been hearing with the new government and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, there are many buzzwords, and we would like to see those buzzwords actually being really coming down to action. And so we've heard about Make in India, Made in India, Digital India, we've got smart cities, and also the Swachh Bharat. For all these things, how do we have? We need growth. And one of the important, or two of the important components is innovation and entrepreneurship. And without these two things going hand in hand, I don't think we can see big growth in India if we really have to see Make in India, Made in India, Digital India, or important smart cities in India. And how do we do this? For this, not only Make in India, Made in India, I'd also like to say Create in India. And how do you create with a good innovation ecosystem in India? I just heard the Director General of WIPO, Francis Gurry, speak yesterday, and one very important message he said is, innovation leads to competition, and this will become a competitive advantage for India, which I thought was a very, very nice sentence that he said, and it's so important for India and for this conference that we need to have innovation which will become a competitive advantage for India. And so from Make in India, Made in India, I would like to say one more word, Create in India. And there is a demand for IP rising worldwide, and can we see that in India? We've only got about 1,000 PCT applications being filed in India. Can we make it 10,000? Can we make it as a reality? I know Indians are very creative, and I would like, with this new IPR policy, if we can increase the number of innovations, number of IPs in India, and it can be IP not only in patent, it can be trademark, copyright, designs, plant variety protection, and so on. With these small few words, I'd like to welcome all the delegates for the 7th GIPC Congress in Mumbai.